Welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Athanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a line chart with added to the standard error bar in Excel software. Okay, this is a line chart with the standard error bar in the Excel software. Now we have taken the data for the different time hours for the day and the temperature for the three replication in the particular water source, the R1 for the replication 1 and replication 2 and replication 3, and different time hours for the morning 6 to evening 6 hours. Okay, now the calculate for the mean value and standard deviations and calculate draw for the line graph with the added to the standard error bars. Okay, go to the next worksheet. The data already entered. So now the first calculate for the mean value. Okay, now the calculate for the mean value. The select for the E3 cells. Okay, equal average the start the bracket, the select the cell for the B3 to D3, the colon D3. Okay, close the bracket and click the enter. Okay, now the calculate for the mean value, the select the E3 cell and drag to the E9. Okay, the mean value calculated for the total time hours. Okay, the reduce the value for the 2 digit converted to 2 digit. Okay, the decrease the diagonal. Okay, the next one for the calculate for the standard error. Okay, now the enter the formula for equal STDEV bracket, the select the cell for the B3 colon D3 and close the bracket and hyphen SQRT, open the bracket, count, then open the bracket, the select the cell B3 colon D3. Okay, the close the bracket and the final bracket close. Okay, click the enter. Okay, now the calculate for the standard error in the Excel software. Okay, they select the F3 cell and drag to the F9. Okay, now the standard deviation also the calculated. Use the decrease in the diagonal, the 0 after dot of the added to the 2 value. Okay, now the copy the mean value, paste to the temperature. Okay, the standard error value also copy, paste to the value V. Okay, now the how to create in the line chart and add it to the standard error bar in Excel software. So select the data for the mean value temperature, go to the insert menu and line chart, select for the line chart. Okay, now the created temperature, delete the title. Okay, the choose plus options, chart element, grind line unclick. Okay, now the change to the decimal value for the time hours in the XHS. So select the right click, select the data. Okay, edit for the horizontal category XHS label. Okay, they select the value 6 to 18, then click the OK. Okay, they add to the, then click the OK button, then the XHS value change to the 6 to 18. Okay, now the added to the lines, select the XHS, choose the right click, format chart area. Okay, fill the line, border, choose the color black and with increase 1.5. Select the y-axis, fill in the bucket, choose the line, change to the color black and with increase to 1.5. Okay, the same also the y-axis value, the minimum 15 degree, maximum the 35. Okay, change to the minimum 15 to 35. Choose the line color for the black and with increase to 1.5. Okay, next add to the error standard error bar in Excel software. Okay, select the line chart, go to the format designing and add to elements, added error bar. Okay, added to the error bar, select the error bars. Okay, go to the choose the customs options, select for the specific value. Select the specific value, open the new tab for the customs error bar. Okay, then select the options, select the standard error value and the negative error value also selected, then click the OK button. Okay, add to the error value, go to the fill and bucket options, choose the line color for the black and with increase to the 1.5. okay, if you want the vector error value, the direction both are minus or plus options. If you want the minus, select the minus option. If you want the plus, select the plus only options. Now select the both and end of the cell the cap filled. Okay, it's enter select for the center of the mean value, go to the marker options, select for the center of the options, the green color and border also the green color and increased with 1.5. okay, marker options, select for the different type, the bulletin selected, select the type, different style. If you want the rectangle, the diamond or square, triangle and int symbol, anyone you selected. Now selected a triangle, sorry, the square shape. And with if you want increased with 5, 6, 7, 8, if you want the any with size, now selected the 5. okay, the next one selected for the lines, choose the fill and options, change to the color red color. okay, with the 2.5 2. okay, now the select for the XHS value, go to the home menu, select to the change to the font Time Roman and with font size for 10, font size for 12. okay, the font color for selected the black color. okay, the same for the y-axis value, change to the font for Time Roman and font value for the 12 and color for the black. okay, now the added to the label for the y-axis and x-axis. Select for the XHS title, hours, unit for hour. Select and go to the home menu, change it to the font 12 and the black color. Okay, then YXS title also selected. Copy and select to the paste. We can choose a font for the Time Roman. Font size for 12 and black color. Okay, now fill the border. The border color is a black and with 1.5. Okay, now the add to the label. Select the line chart and the add to the label. Okay, add it to the label and select the label text. Change to the font Time Roman and font size 10 and change to the color the black. Okay, this is a line chart and added to the standard error bar in the Excel software. If you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to the channel membership. Thank you.